In the heart of innovation, where precision meets power, a legend begins its journey. The Toyota Hilux Revo trucks. Every masterpiece starts with raw strength, high-grade steel, prepared for transformation. Guided by laser precision, each piece is cut to perfection. Powerful presses shape the identity of the Toyota Hilux Revo trucks. The backbone of strength is forged, built to endure the toughest challenges. Robotic precision ensures every joint is flawless and strong. The structure rises, strong, balanced, and precise. A protective crown seals the cabin. Same ultra-modern factory. Every opening is engineered with seamless precision. Same ultra-modern factory. The body is now one, solid, secure, and ready for refinement. Imperfections are removed, leaving behind pure precision. Imperfections are removed, leaving behind pure precision. Pristine surface prepares for the next transformation. Color meets craftsmanship, the signature metallic silver emerges. Depth and brilliance define the Hilux identity. The same ultra-modern factory applies a second reflective layer. Heat seals perfection into every layer. Every detail is examined. Perfection is not optional. Every detail is examined. Perfection is not optional. Clarity and protection come together in perfect. Same ultra-modern factory, polished gray concrete floor with yellow safety lines, cool white LED arms throughout. Every window seals the cabin with strength and clarity. The front identity begins to take shape. A bold face emerges, the unmistakable presence of the Hilux. Same ultra-modern factory. Same vehicle, Toyota Hilux Revo. The front identity begins to take shape. A bold face emerges, the unmistakable presence of the Hilux. Vision is powered, ready to lead through any path. Strength extends to every edge of the design. Same ultra-modern factory, polished gray concrete floor with yellow safety lines, orange robotic arms throughout. With precision measured in microns, the heart of the Toyota Hilux Revo trucks is carefully aligned into position. Each bolt is tightened to exact specifications, ensuring power meets durability. The transmission system integrates flawlessly, ready to transfer power across every terrain. Every detail, even beneath the surface, is engineered for performance and endurance. Fuel systems are connected with precision, ensuring efficiency in every drop. Built for strength, the suspension system prepares the Hilux for the toughest roads. Control is everything. Advanced braking ensures safety in every moment. Precision steering delivers unmatched control, on-road and off-road. Complex network of intelligence brings the machine to life. The command center takes shape, combining technology with functionality. The driver's connection to power is now complete. Comfort meets durability as the cabin begins to take form. Same ultra-modern factory floor. Same robotic arms, same lighting, same fixed camera progression style. Every seat is crafted for comfort, even on the longest journeys. Refinement is in the details. Every surface designed with purpose. Energy flows through the Hilux, powering every system with reliability. Strong, durable wheels complete the vehicle's stance. Same ultra-modern factory floor, same robotic arms, orange industrial robots, same lighting, cool overhead LED panels. Every angle is covered, ensuring awareness and safety. A flawless finish reflects the precision behind every step. Advanced systems awaken, bringing intelligence to the machine. Every component passes rigorous inspection. Nothing is left to chance. Moment of truth. The Toyota Hilux Revo trucks come alive. Same ultra-modern factory floor, same robotic arms, same lighting, same fixed camera progression style, same vehicle. Every movement is tested, ensuring flawless performance. Same ultra-modern factory floor, same robotic arms, same lighting, same fixed style. Toyota Hilux Revo trucks. Human expertise meets machine precision for final approval. Body panel alignment is perfect, no deviations.
Confirmed. Software integration is complete, all systems green.
A fleet of strength, ready to conquer the world. Same ultra-modern factory floor, polished gray concrete, yellow safety lines. Same lighting, cool white overhead LED panels. Built with precision, designed for strength. The Toyota Hilux Revo trucks, engineered to go beyond limits.